له من الأسماء ما اصطفى.
Ayah number 6 of Surah Al-Munafiqun has trembled my heart when I got to know the meaning and explanation. And I believe it will tremble your heart also when you will come to know the meaning and explanation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in ayah number 6 of Surah Al-Munafiqun, أَسْتَغْفَرْتَ لَهُمْ أَمْ لَمْ تَسْتَغْفِرْ لَهُمْ. O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, whether you seek Allah's forgiveness for them or you don't seek Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's forgiveness for them, the matter has crossed the limit and they have went beyond the limit. Due to that, لَن يَغْفِرَ اللَّهُ لَهُمْ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not going to forgive them, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not going to bless them, but indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to punish them. When I read this ayah, look at the meaning and explanation. It stumbled my heart. Who were they? What they were doing? Which kind of evil and sin they were engaged in? Due to that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed the ayah to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam and gave the current clear message and decision that Ya Nabi Allah, whether you seek forgiveness for these people, whether you don't seek my forgiveness, you should know this is my decision. لَن يَغْفِرَ اللَّهُ لَهُمْ. As their matter has crossed the limit and they have went beyond the limit, لَن يَغْفِرَ اللَّهُ لَهُمْ. Allah is not going to forgive them ever. Indeed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to punish them. When I look at Tafsir ibn Kathir and Miftah al-Quran, I found these ayah was related to Ibn Abi Salul and his follower and his group. What they were doing, which kind of evil and masiyah they were engaged in. When I search and look the ayah before and the two ayah after, ayat number 5 and ayat number 7 and 8, I found they were engaged in 3 type of evil and masiyah. Due to that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has considered them that they have crossed a limit and they went beyond the limit. Sad to say, today we all are engaged on those 3 evils. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us, protect us, and give us tawfiq to change ourselves before it gets too late.
आज मैं आप हज़रात के सामने तयम्मुम बयान करना चाहता हूँ। तयम्मुम के 3 फायदे। नंबर 1, नियत करना। नंबर 2, पाक मिट्टी पर ज़र्ब लगाकर चेहरे पर फेरना। नंबर 3, पाक मिट्टी पर ज़र्ब लगाकर बाजू पर।
मैसेज टीवी के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अमन के पैगाम को फैलाने में हमारी मदद कीजिए। वीडियो के नीचे सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर क्लिक करें और मैसेज टीवी चैनल के सब्सक्राइबर बनें। सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल के आइकॉन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन बराह रास्त आपको मिल जाए। इस वीडियो को थम्स अप का बटन दबाकर लाइक कीजिए और अपनी फेसबुक वॉल और ट्विटर पर शेयर कीजिए। आपका अपना मैसेज टीवी।